Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Captain Kirk and I'm going to show you this Keystone Springdale right here. It is actually a 260 TB. It has a rear bunks and a front bedroom. It's a pretty nice unit. So we have a couple things on this side. We're going to have our hookups for a water, outdoor shower, all kinds of good stuff. We're going to go around the other side and I'll show you the pass-through front storage bay. Dual propane tanks. So we have pass-through storage bay, all the way across the front. Good for all your goods. That's for you. All right, come on down this way. Let's see what we got back here. So in the back of this unit, we have the outdoor and more storage, they call it, and it's actually a big, nice storage area where that bunk is. So if you want to put coolers or something in here for transport or bikes, and then it does fold down, and it's your rear bunk. And then you still have storage underneath, but if you have one taller storage inside, you have it accessible. So this has a bunkhouse model. You're going to have a full power awning, outdoor speakers on the awning, lend-a-hand handle as we go inside. Let's go inside and see what this one looks like. So as you make your way inside the unit, you have this front bedroom. You have a TV, front bedroom, front bed, storage under the bed, and it actually has a door to the bedroom, which I kind of like, gives you a little more privacy in the front room. It has nice closet space that doesn't go all the way down so you don't get the claustrophobic feeling, which is kind of nice. Some people are really concerned about that. As you come in here, you also have a couch, nice seating area. And this is a non-slide unit, so you don't have a slide out. So you got your kitchen here, nice big windows, double sink, oven, dinette to my right, fridge, decent sized fridge. Your vanity of the bathroom is actually outside right here behind this door. I'll let you go check out that bathroom. Tub, shower combo, and then there's your beds and your bunks to the left. And you're going to have your bed and your bunks, a full-size bottom bed, and a little twin up top. Great for your friends or family or kids, because the dinette also makes into a bed, and then this couch also makes into a bed. You do have storage up top all the way around. This is a nice unit. It is a pre-owned piece of inventory. Here at Guaranty, we have a lot to choose from as far as truck campers, pre-owned, new, used trailers. More than happy to help you out. My name is Kirk.Blair, Captain, and my cell phone is 541-601-8742. Here at Junction City, Oregon at Guaranty RV, happy to help.